To activate an Asus router with Xfinity, start by unpacking the router and all the included accessories. Connect the power cord to the router and plug it into a nearby power outlet. Next, connect one end of the Ethernet cable to the Xfinity modem and the other end to the Asus router's WAN port. Open a web browser on your computer or mobile device and type the router's default IP address, which is usually 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. Log into the router using the default admin username and password, which can be found in the router's manual or on the underside of the router. Once logged in, click on the WAN settings and select the Xfinity Internet Service Provider from the list. If Xfinity is not listed, select the manual setup option and enter the Xfinity DNS server addresses. Save the changes and reboot the router. After the router reboots, connect to the Xfinity network using the Xfinity username and password. Open a web browser and navigate to the Xfinity activation page. Follow the on-screen instructions to activate the Xfinity service on the Asus router. To set up the Asus router, click on the wireless settings and create a new wireless network name and password. Set the wireless channel to auto and the encryption method to WPA2. Save the changes and reboot the router again. To use the Asus router with Xfinity, connect your devices to the wireless network using the new network name and password. You can also use the Asus Router app to manage the router settings and monitor the network activity. Best practices include changing the default admin username and password, enabling the firewall and antivirus protection, and regularly updating the router firmware to ensure the latest security patches and features. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully activate and use an Asus router with Xfinity.